Hello all, I'm Viru from electronicsinnovation.com. I'm your host for this episode. In my previous videos, I have clearly explained how to get started with Tuya IoT platform and deploy the different projects on the same platform. In this video, we will see how to integrate Tuya socket sandwich board with Arduino Uno and control any home appliances which are based on 230 volts alternating current. For example, we will see how to control LED bulb here. So let's see how we can do that. Register on the Tuya Smart IoT platform using the link provided in the description below and then email to dev@tuya.com. You can receive a development kit for free from Tuya team. Then log into the platform using the same credentials. If you find the website in Chinese language, you can change it to English from here. These are the previous projects we have done. If you wish to go through them, you can find the playlist on the top right corner. Click on the Create Product. Go to the lighting category and select light source. Select solution type, custom solution, then click on light source. Provide a name for your device. If you wish, you can also provide a model for it. Then check protocol, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and power type, standard power consumption. After that, click on Create button. These are the default functions for a standard light source. If you want, you can select or deselect functions based on the requirement. For now, I am not changing anything and continuing with the default options. Then click on OK. That's it. A new project or a device has been created on the Tuya IoT platform. Now copy the product ID or say PID and mail it to dev@tuya.com together with your Tuya IoT account name as subject. After some time, you will receive a token from the Tuya DevOps team. Then visit the Tuya PMS platform using link provided in the description. Sign up by providing all required details. Then log in using the same credentials. If you find the website in Chinese language, you can change it to English from here. Click on Production Management, Work Order Management, then Activation Code Verification. Input token ID that you have just received over the mail and confirm it. Please note that one token ID can only be activated by one user. You can find the activated code list in the following menu. That's it, the token was activated successfully. We will use TIDA software application to burn the authorization into ESP8266 module. I have explained how to download and install and set up the software in the previous video. You can watch that video using the above I button for more clarity of the software setup. After successful login, the following page should appear. If you find the software in Chinese language, you can change it to English from here. Then select the setup option from the file menu. Select the burning baud rate 921600 and testing baud rate 9600 and leave the rest of the configurations as default. Then click on the OK button. Click Enter Token to input the token which is activated on the Tuya PMS platform. Select Workstation Burning Authorization. Also check the firmware download option. Then click on OK. Now connect ESP8266 to your PC using any type of USB interface. Select the COM port and click on Run button. After few seconds, the burning procedure will begin and continue until 100%. Then you will see the following success page on the software. If the following success page appeared on the software, congratulations, you have successfully burned the Tuya authorization into ESP8266 module. After burning authorizations, disconnect ESP8266 module from the laptop. Here is the circuit diagram to interface ESP8266 Tuya socket sandwich board with Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno will read the instruction from Tuya IoT platform using the ESP8266 and execute them using the Tuya socket sandwich board. First, I have typed the Tuya socket sandwich board on the Arduino Uno as shown here. Then solder the rest of the 4 wires required for Node MCU and then connected. Now open Arduino IDE. We are going to use Tuya library Tuya Wi-Fi MCU SDK for this project. This library can be installed from the Arduino Library Manager. Now go to the example section from the file menu and search for Tuya Wi-Fi MCU SDK and open the start example. This is the code we are going to use to control home appliances over the Tuya Smart IoT platform. Before uploading this code to Arduino Uno, we need to make some changes in this sketch in order to work with the Tuya socket board. As you can see here, the LED port is initialized and it is connected to the built-in LED pin. We all know that built-in LED connected to GPIO 13. But if we look at the Tuya socket sandwich board, it is different. These are the two modules we are using. For comparing, I have placed the boards side by side in the same way they will get stacked on each other. If you observe closely, the pin of the relay is getting stacked with GPIO 10, not with GPIO 13. So we need to change the pin initialization and everywhere in the sketch. Just search for LED built-in in the Arduino IDE and replace it with 10. That's it. Now the code is ready to upload to the Arduino Uno. Now connect Arduino Uno with PC. Then check uploading configurations, board Arduino Uno and select the right port. Then compile the code and upload it to Arduino Uno. After successful uploading, connect the GPIO 7 to the ground for 3 to 4 seconds to put the device into the pairing mode. The onboard LED will flicker if the module is in pairing mode. You can also listen to the tick-tock sound while the relay module is flickering. Now take out your mobile and open Tuya Smart app and add the device as shown here. Select the light source from the lighting category. Confirm the indicator is blinking. Provide available Wi-Fi credentials, then click on Next. The device has been added to the Tuya Smart app successfully. If you want, you can also edit the device name here. Then click on Done. Upon successful pairing, the device will appear on the home page. If you click on the device, you can see the turn on or off button on the bottom of the screen. We can control home appliances connected to the socket board from here.
Now it is in off mode. Now it is in on, off, on, off, on. So currently we are able to control the relay. So we can also hear that sound. On, off, on, off.
Now I have connected a general home appliance that present in every home at the output of the socket board and provided a 230 volts input connection at the input port. So everything is set and now we can control this bulb seamlessly. The bulb is turned on, turned off, turned on, turned off, turned on, turned off and turned on and then turned off. Likewise, we can control 230 volts LED bulb seamlessly from the Tuya Smart IoT platform. Not only LED bulb, we can control any home appliance which have a load below 10 amperes using the socket board. Examples are fans, geysers, fridge, kettle, television, printer, hairdryer, washing machine, dishwasher, toaster, microwave, Wi-Fi router and lot more which are under 10 amps load. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned something new from this episode. Stay tuned to Electronics Innovation for more videos on the Tuya Smart IoT platform. See you soon on the next video. Bye bye.